Welcome, Noranchito teachers, to this week's Tech Challenge. When you are done with the class, a good way to clean up Classroom is to archive the old classes. Archiving is a process that removes the class from your main Classroom homepage, making your page cleaner and easier to navigate. Freezes the classes so no new changes can be made, especially helpful if you choose not to remove students from the old classes. And still allows you to copy and reuse old posts and assignments from the archived class in your new class. Here are the steps to archive an old class. Do the following. Go to the home page of Classroom. Click the three dots menu in the top right corner of the card for the class you wish to archive. Then click Archive from the drop-down menu. You will now get a pop-up window asking you to verify that you want to archive the class. Click Archive again to verify. Go to the App Launcher. Select Google Classroom. Click on the Google Classroom you wish to archive, and next to the card there are three dots. So I'm going to archive Student Council 2019. Select the three buttons. Click on Archive. And it gives you a pop-up message. Are you sure you want to archive? And this class will be moved to your archive classes, which will remain in Google Drive. Press Archive. Your class has been archived. It is now under Teaching Archive Classes here. These are your archive classes. Here it is. If you ever need to unarchive a class, you can do so as follows. From the home page of Classroom, click the menu button in the top left. Scroll down to the bottom of the drop-down menu and choose Archive Classes. Click the three dots menu in the top right corner of the card for the class you wish to unarchive. Then click Restore from the drop-down menu. You will now get a pop-up window asking you to verify that you want to restore the class. Click Restore again to verify. Here are the steps to restore a class. Go to the App Launcher. Click Classroom. Click on the three horizontal lines. Go under Teaching and Enrolled to Archive Classes. Here are your Classroom cards. Click on the three dots over the class you wish to restore and click Restore. It's going to state that the class will be shown in classes and your students will be able to interact with this class again. Click Restore. Go back to classes and the classroom tile is back and restored to your classes. I hope you found this video helpful on how to archive a class. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Thank you.